Hi, this is Tony with Alliance Specialties in Laser Sales, and we're back with another Motivational Monday. And today I have a guest, Ian Cavanaugh, who's one of the members of our sales team. And today we're talking about trust. And trust is something that I feel very strongly about. And so today's quote is simply, the best way to find out if you can trust somebody is to trust them. You're not going to know otherwise.
It's absolutely true. Nothing is worse than being not trusted when you haven't done anything
right
to.
You need that first chance.
Yeah, you just need an opportunity, and a great way to gain someone's trust is find a commonality, preferably somebody you know. But if it's not somebody you know, maybe a common interest. Like for me, it's sports. I can connect to people through sports. If I ask someone how the game was last night and they can answer it, I feel like that was my little win right there, just to start out.
I think you should always give somebody the benefit of the doubt. When Ian started, he had no manufacturing experience, no history of mold making or tool making. He just had a passion to be the best at what he was doing. And so you could see that in his hard work, his determination, his integrity. And so, we hired him right away, and we were happy with his performance and saw that he had that personality to go out and meet people and a hunger to know more people. So we entrusted him to go out and be a salesperson right away because his personality, not because of what he knew, but because of who he was. And we're glad we did it. So how do you know if you can trust somebody? Put your trust in them and see. They'll let you know one way or another. So thanks for everything you're doing.
Thank you.